Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and I decided to put 2 days together, so there's 4 prompts altogether. The 4 prompts being wings, ledger, material, label, and in some of these I have actually managed to get all 4 into a piece of page collage: label, wings, material, ledger. And in others, because I set myself the challenge at the end of doing a couple of pieces to see how much I could do in an hour to create more ephemera for Mum's journal, I maybe didn't use it all, although that one actually has got it all. So most have 2 or 3 prompts, some have all 4. We are going to go back in time so that you can see the collage and the cluster, one of these clusters, and how I put those together. Obviously I wouldn't make you sit through all of them. I've cut up various pieces. I'm going to make some clusters. I'm also going to do some pages for collaging. I'll do one example of a collage page, one example of a cluster on camera, so you can see how I'm combining the 4 elements, the 4 prompts from the 2 days. The only extra I've got here at the moment is the Distress Oxide in the Espresso. I've chosen a darker colour because this is actually stained, coffee stained, but it's been coffee stained quite dark. So for any edging or anything like that to show, it's going to have to be the darker brown. I think the most popular ones for this aging technique is the vintage photo or the walnut. I'm not sure how dark the walnut is. We'll distress some of this picture. This picture is from a screenshot from a YouTube slideshow and shows my granddad marrying a couple. I also have this label that I typed which says memories. Then we have the peacock for the wings. Got a feeling this might need re-inking. It doesn't seem, it seems quite dry. I'm getting a bit of a halo around it. It's that halo effect, isn't it, to bring the eye in. I might Juicy Lucy this, cheat slightly and add a touch of water to the actual ink pad. Oops, maybe too much then. I don't mind that. I mean, it's not my favourite, but I don't mind it. I might therefore try, see if we can get that a bit darker. I can actually. I'm pretty sure one of the other prompts was fabric, so I cut a little bit of this purple gold fabric that came over from India. This is all still slightly damp. And we have some fabric. I'm going to use my finger to smear that in the hopes that less will come through the material. We could do that at a little angle and that might look better. Normally I wouldn't angle things. Okay, that's one collage page done. Obviously you don't want to collage all of them because you want people to be able to write. I have folded this up to make a mini tuck spot. So while I'm here, I'm going to glue that into place. And something can be added to that when we put the journal together. So that is ready to just dry. Then I said I was also going to make some clusters. For clusters, I'm going to use part of the Magpie Printables Peacock kit to make clusters that can be used later somewhere. I'm going to take a bit of ledger, a bit of paper, a door, want a bird of some sort, a label, Debbie. Right, that'll do. The idea of this is if Mum's got a photo of Debbie, I will make this cluster a tuck spot, then she can tuck a photo of Debbie in. Edge all of this up. I'm not going to use the dark this time, like to vary it up a bit. This time I'm going to use the Victorian Velvet, which is this dusky pink colour, which is juicy enough not to need water. Do the same on everything that's going on here, so it's the unifying colour. And now I just want to pull this together. I think this was going onto that first. Could add it like it's a little flaggy tag. There. And then put Debbie's name there. My Aunt Debbie is the last person to wear pink, I think. I think for fun, I'm going to set myself 60 minutes and see how many clusters I can make that apply with this prompt in that 60 minutes. Okay, an hour has passed. I have managed to do quite a bit, not with every single prompt, because otherwise it would get too samey. But a lot of the prompts here, you've got material, you've got a label, you've got the wings. Here, this could be a tag or page decoration. Here, this is just a little piece of ephemera, a tag, decoration. This has the full caboodle on it, so this has the invoice as well, as does this one, slightly crooked. This huge one here, decoration for a page or a tuck spot. Same again. I think I've managed to get quite a few different looks there and quite a bit of ephemera done in an hour. Oh, and I've got a few basic tags as well here that I've just added a word or two to. That was all, and backed with card and edged. Ooh, I'm quite pleased with how much I managed to get done in that hour, and with the prompts, because they're giving me very different looks to ones that I'd have gone off and created myself. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It's a way to spread some Christmas cheer. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. That would be an awesome Christmas gift for me. And let me know what you think of these projects in the comments below. And I will see you next time.